Guys, my name is Danielle Waters, and I am from Texas. I live in the U.S. Texas is at the in the South. And for today's class, we are going to be talking about plants. So let me go ahead and welcome the first student, Suna.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. And how about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Suna, is this your first time with me?
Yeah?
Okay.
This class is first time.
Okay, good. Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Mm-hmm.
Korea. I live in San Francisco now.
Okay. Oh, now you're in California?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Good.
Why are you in California?
My husband's living here.
Mm-hmm. Good, good. And do you like California?
Yeah, very good.
It's very pretty. I love the beaches.
Yeah.
All right, well, very nice to meet you, Suna.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Fasto? Fasto? Hello? Fausto?
Yes, teacher, hello.
Hi. How do you pronounce your name?
Fausto, that is okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, perfect. And Fausto, have you been in my class before?
Yes, and
Okay.
I just remembered, I think that two class before,
Okay.
but because you usually schedule your class in the afternoon, but right now I'm not able. Sorry, I am able to take this class in the morning because I am taking some day off. So this is the reason that I am starting to attend again your class.
Okay, I understand. I understand. Okay, so you have off today. And so oh, okay, Fausto, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. Right now I'm living in Guadalajara, Jalisco.
Okay, okay. So that's why you normally cannot take my classes because you are at work.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I
Yes,
understand.
yes. I this time I are my shifts,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
uh, and that's it.
Okay. All right, well, perfect. I am actually switching my schedule in Verbling very soon. So you hopefully can take more classes with me because I am switching tonight.
Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. That will be awesome. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, no problem. All right. Let me welcome Moses. I know I'm saying your name wrong, and I know we've met before. Moises?
Hello, Danielle. How are you doing?
I am great. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Oh, great. I'm glad to hear that. And Matthias.
Yes, hello. How are you today?
I am great. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, good. We have met before, correct?
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
good. That's what I thought.
Last week, yeah.
Okay, good, good. All right. And let me say hello to Saba? Snosh?
No,
I don't know.
Slava.
What is it?
Slava.
Slava.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, perfect. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, is this your first time with me?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's actually first time in my class.
okay, so it's your first time on Verbling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. Welcome. Where are you from?
It's, I'm from Ukrainian. Ukrainian.
Ukraine?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
From Ukrainian.
Cool. And how long have you been studying English?
Oh, I have studied English since autumn.
Since
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 last autumn.
last autumn. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
autumn. I understand. All right, well, perfect. It's very good to meet you. Welcome to class. Welcome to Verbling.
Thank
Okay, guys, so in this class, it's a beginner level class, and we are going to be talking about plants. So the first thing we are going to look at, I am going to share my screen, and we are going to talk about parts of a plant. So let's start with Suna.
Yes.
Okay, so looking at this first picture,
Yes.
what is this?
It's a tree.
Good, good, perfect. And what is this part of the tree?
Uh, for me,
Yes.
root. It's a root.
Oh, okay.
I
The
don't know.
roots are underground. The roots are underground. Okay?
Yes.
But what's the long skinny part?
I don't know.
Okay, this is called a trunk. Trunk.
Trunk.
Yes.
Okay.
And do you know what we call the outside of the trunk?
Yes.
What is that called?
Ground.
No. Okay, so the tree trunk,
Yes.
the tree trunk is wrapped in what? So the trunk of the tree,
Yes.
what is the outside of the trunk called?
I don't know. So hard.
It's okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay. Here, this is the part I am talking about. So, let me see if I can share it in a Word document. This is called bark. Okay, and I'm going to show you a picture on my screen. Can everyone see my screen? That
Yes.
is bark. Thanks. Okay. That is bark.
Bark.
Bark. The rough outer edge of the trunk. Okay?
Yes.
That is bark. Okay?
Yes.
And Suna, what is... hold on. Let me take this off. Don't save. Let me share my screen again. What is this small picture beside the tree? This one right here.
It's a leaf.
Yes. Perfect. Great job. Great job. Okay. And yes, you are correct. These are the roots. Okay.
Yes.
These are the roots. Okay. Perfect. Let's continue to the next person. Okay. Fausto. What
Okay, teacher.
is this?
I don't know. I think that is part of the trunk. Uh,
Yes.
a little thinner than the trunk is called branch.
Yes. Perfect. Great job.
Okay, thank you.
Branch. Great job. Okay. Let's see. And what is this? Can you see that picture? Or can you see this?
Let me think. I'm I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think it's like acorn.
Yeah. Exactly. Acorn. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to get even harder. Okay. So this is a branch. What are the small little pieces of the branch?
Sheets.
Nope. This is called twigs.
Mm,
Twigs. Okay? So the small little pieces, like for example this little piece, that is a twig. Okay? It's the
okay.
little small pieces. Okay? And Fausto, what is this?
A flower.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Great job. Great job. All right. Mateus?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? This whole picture.
This flower.
What type?
Rose. Yeah.
Mhm.
Rose, I
Great.
think.
Okay. What is? Let's see if it'll. What is this part of the rose?
The red part of
Yes.
petal.
Yes.
Maybe petal.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay.
The petals, or a petal if it's singular. If it's one petal. Great. What is this long skinny part of a flower?
Trunk. It's little
No,
trunk. No,
no, no. It's called a stem.
I have no idea.
Stem.
Okay.
Trunk is only for trees. Mostly. It's when they're very, very thick. Okay.
And
Yeah.
the green part of the rose is leaf.
Good.
It is similar than the
Perfect.
tree.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. And what do they have on the stem?
Stem. There is oh. I don't know, but there is a little things which we don't like it.
Yes. They hurt. They're thorns.
Thorns.
Yeah. They're very pointy and they hurt.
Yeah.
All right. Great job. Great job. Let me welcome Samson.
Yes, nice to see you. Hello.
Nice to see you again. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh,
And you?
good. I am great. Thanks for asking. Welcome to class.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Okay. Moises,
Good.
what is this?
Cactus.
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 Exactly. And do you know what we call the little pointy parts on a cactus?
Thorns.
They're actually not called thorns. They're called spines.
Spines.
Yep. Good. And Moses, what is this?
This is like I have in champignon, una seta. I don't know in English.
I think it's is it not a mushroom?
Mushroom.
Okay.
A mushroom.
Right? Okay, yes. Okay.
Like boletus.
I don't know that. I don't know what that is.
Teacher, I have a question here.
Yes.
What is the difference between thorns and spines?
Spines are specifically just on cactuses. Thorns are on everything else.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Because in Spanish, that is my native language,
Uh-huh.
is for all this kind of stuff, it's called spines, and that's it.
Okay. Yeah, for some reason, you might hear a native speaker say the cactus has thorns, but that's not correct. A cactus has spines. Okay, not thorns. But
Okay.
yeah, everything else has thorns. I don't know why cactus it's different, but it's different.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Great. Let's see. Let's continue with okay, I already forgot how to say your name. Slava?
Yeah, Slava.
Slava. Okay. Sorry.
It's easy.
Okay. What is this?
It's flowers.
No, maybe that's a bad picture. That is actually a fern. A fern. Okay, so it kind of looks like a bush, kind of. It's very. Alright, let's see if I can give you it here. Y'all can look at this link. Those are ferns, okay? It's a better example. Alright, what about this? Saba?
Is this palm? Palm.
Yeah, yes. That's a palm tree.
Palm
and then and then this specific part is a
Mm.
palm. Okay? The specific leaf of a
Pa-
palm is a
palm
palm.
branch.
Yeah, well, it's just called palm. I don't know why in English, but it's just palm. Okay. What about this?
Tree fir. Fir tree.
A what tree?
Fir tree.
A fir tree? Okay, maybe. I was gonna say a pine tree. Maybe they're the same. I don't know. I don't know my brands of trees.
Maybe.
Are they the same? Oh, they're very, very similar. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so fir trees are, I guess, for like Christmas trees, probably. Okay. Okay. And Sava, what is this? What is this?
This is bump.
This is what?
Bump.
No, not bark.
Bump.
But nope, I don't think so because it's this word. Nope, not a bump.
No.
It's a pine cone. Pine cone. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Some fun.
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue. What is this?
Branch.
Okay, wait. It's some fun's turn.
I'm not sure.
It's not a branch.
Not.
Ivy.
Oh, it's like ivy, yeah.
Ivy, I think.
Yeah, they also call it a vine. Okay? Ivy is a type of vine.
Why?
Vine. Alright, Samfun, do you know what this is?
Yes.
What is it?
Crane.
No, well, it could be, but no. Samfun, do you know?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, this is bamboo.
Bamboo. Oh, okay.
Samfun, what about this? It's very, very common, I think in the world, but it's very, very common in the U.S. It is in people's front yards and backyards. It covers the ground.
Grass.
Yes. And Samson, do you know what an individual piece of grass is called? A piece
I
of
don't know.
grass? Do you know what that is called? Okay. A piece of grass is a blade. A blade
Blade.
of grass.
Wait.
Okay. And what is this, class?
Frog.
A what?
Frog.
Oh,
Is the-
okay. Yes. Frog. Okay, good. And okay, what are these called?
Bamboo.
A what?
Bamboo.
Cane.
No. They're called cattails. Cattails. I'm not sure why, because to me they don't really look like the tail of a cat, but that's what they're called. Cattails. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to go to the lesson. So we are going to now talk a little bit about gardening. And here is the link if y'all do not have it on y'all. All right. So the first question. Let's see. Suna, can you read and answer the first question?
Do you like gardening? My answer?
Yes.
Yeah, I like gardening.
Do you have a garden?
No. I have my parents' house.
So so your parents' house has a garden?
Yeah.
Okay. And oh, hold on, someone is breathing really heavy. I don't know who it is. Okay. Okay, so Suna, do you what type of garden do your parents have? Is it a vegetable garden? Is it a flower garden?
Fruits tree. Fruits
Oh,
garden.
a fruit tree.
Yeah.
A fruit orchard.
Yeah.
Orchard. How cute. How cute. That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And what type of fruit? Is it an apple?
Apple, orange, and
What is it?
Orange.
I don't know that word.
Orange.
Orange. Oranges?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Oh, how cool.
Apple. I don't remember. 13 trees.
Something what?
Yeah, 13 trees.
Something to eat?
My parents have 13 trees. I don't remember.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Well, very, very cool. That sounds very cute. We do not have fruit trees. My parents have a vegetable garden. Yes. It's very, very nice. I love it.
Sure.
All right. Sava? Number 2?
Yeah. Read.
Sure, yes. Oops.
What is it about gardening that makes many people love it? And answer, yeah.
Yes, answer please.
Need to think.
You need to think.
Yeah.
Do you like gardening?
Uh, not always.
Not always? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and why not always?
Hmm. I didn't think about it.
Okay, no
It's
problem.
new questions for me.
Okay. All right, I will give you time. I will give you time to think about number 2. So we will come back to you.
Okay.
Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So number 3, Fausto.
Number 3, teacher. Okay.
Yes.
Is gardening a hobby for young or old people? In my opinion, teacher, no, I don't think so. It's a hobby for all kind of people. It doesn't matter the
Mhm.
age or something like that. In
Mhm.
my case, for example, well, I am 34 years old, so I used to enjoy gardening before.
Mhm.
Despite the fact that I am having a small house, I have a big garden
Mhm.
with it's like a flower garden, you know.
Mhm.
But for me, it was a little complicated try to conserve or to keep in good condition that garden because you need to spend a lot of time, you need to have a lot of knowledge about plants and this kind of stuff. So right now I am working in an international company, so my job is so demanding. Right now I don't have any time to gardening, to do
Yeah. Yeah, I
to.
understand. Hold on, Fausto. Okay,
Mhm.
let me explain to Mateus.
Yeah.
I have to mute you because you have a little bit of background noise. So go ahead and mute yourself until you are speaking, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, perfect. All right. Sorry, continue, Fausto.
Mhm. That's it.
Oh, okay.
No, yes. I'm just talking about that. All kind of people
Mhm.
can enjoy gardening, but you need to spend a lot of time to do this kind of activity, and also have a lot of knowledge about plants or flowers or something like that. You know.
Good. And was your garden, was it always a flower type garden or was it anything else?
No, it was always like a flower garden.
Okay, okay, cool.
Mhm.
Very nice.
Just because I love roses.
Mm-hmm,
I love all kind of roses. I don't know
mm-hmm.
why, but for me that is so cute. I don't know.
That's so pretty. What's your favorite color for a rose?
Um, there is a purple rose.
Oh, cool.
Yes, for me that is amazing color of rose. I don't know
Mm-hmm,
why because before I thought sorry
mm-hmm.
that it comes for artificial process or something like that. But no, when I discovered that there is a natural color in this kind of rose, I
Mm-hmm.
love it and I started to grow this kind of rose.
Wow, that's cool. I did not know there was a purple rose. That is very interesting.
Yes, that's right.
Awesome. All right. Thanks for sharing, Fausto.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
Mateus? Okay, your question is number 4.
Yeah. Is gardening a hobby for young or old people?
Oh, this one, number 4.
Sorry. Do you need a big garden to enjoy gardening, or can someone living in an apartment also garden?
Mm-hmm,
I don't need a big garden to
mm-hmm,
enjoy. It is much better a little garden because I can I can solve the problem. Every problem, for instance, cut the grass and plant flowers and trees. Planting flowers and trees. Yes, I think.
Okay. So, I think in Britain, I think the garden is all of the area. But in the US, we say that I think a smaller backyard is better, okay? Not a garden, okay? Because
Okay.
when you talk about the grass is your lawn, okay? So when you include the lawn, it's your backyard. The garden is simply where the trees are, where the flowers are, where the vegetables are, okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
And so it is. I think the area between or around the house, it is a backyard. No.
Yes.
And
Yes.
the garden, if I planting potato, tomato, and other plants, it is garden.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. So very good. Yeah, it's easier to maintain a smaller garden. So yes, I agree.
I have a question. And what does it mean in this question, apartment?
Okay. So so someone who is living. Are you learning British English?
Yes, British.
Okay. I think it's called a flat. A flat
Cottage.
is an apartment, I think.
Yeah, flat. Okay.
Okay. So, or can someone living in a flat also garden?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's see.
Is it
go ahead.
is it a good way if after I talk I switch off the microphone?
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I haven't know this.
Okay.
I
Thanks.
don't know.
No problem. Okay, Saba, do you know the answer to number 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
At the first, I think it's hobby, and people like when someone does them happy, awesome. As also, it's fresh fruit and vegetables without chemical.
Fresh fruit.
Yes, and garden and sometimes gardening is business for people.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can make a living off of your garden. So yeah, for example, if you lived on a farm.
Yeah, or in the village.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Perfect examples. All right. Let's continue with Michael. Hello, Michael. Welcome to class.
Hi, Daniel.
How are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
Oh, I'm very good. Thank you. All right. So your question is number 5. Can you read the question and answer it?
Do you think gardening is an expensive hobby? But you explained, but it was a little bit inattentive. So what do you mean by gardening? It's like where you grow only fruits, vegetables, or something else?
So it's fruit, vegetables, flowers, trees. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, your garden is basically anywhere where the dirt is or the soil. Okay.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So not the grass. Okay.
Okay. So, in my opinion, gardening is not expensive.
Okay.
Hobby, because if you have gardening as a hobby, I think you are very passionate about that.
Good.
if you're passionate about something, it's not kind of expensive to buy like trees or fruits, vegetables, like what you need to start this this hobby.
Yeah.
It's not like you are. So what do? You when you have like a collection of cars, you collection them or what?
You collect them. Collect.
Yeah, it's not like to collect old cars. If we compare, for example, that kind of hobby, that's really expensive to buy old cars or new cars or some kind of cars. They are much more expensive. So, like to have a collection of 10 cars, it's a lot of money. You need to invest in that. But gardening is like, I think every person could afford this kind of hobby, but you need to like that.
So you need to be passionate about it. You need to
Yeah,
like it.
for sure, because I am really not passionate about gardening. I don't know, maybe when I will be like older, like when I will be near 50, 60 years old, I presume I will love that hobby or something. But nowadays, it's not my cup of tea.
Oh, great use of different expressions in there as well. Great vocabulary.
Thanks.
All right, Samson.
Yes.
Number 6.
What do you think of the idea of everyone having a vegetable garden to help the world's food problems? I think it necessary for every family to having a vegetable garden because when they have to cook, they can go to the garden and get some vegetable for cooking. Vegetable have essential essential for nutrient for healthy and when the world nowadays the world have the problem about flood, about melting of ice, and we and some area don't have a food. So if every family have a vegetable garden, I think it is okay for it. It will solve food problem.
Okay, good. All right, so you think if everyone had a vegetable garden, it would solve the world's food problems? All right, very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I think the thing you were talking about with melting ice. You can
melting ice.
You can say global warming.
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, so it's called global warming. Great job, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I want to go ahead and do, I think this one. Let me see. Let me make sure. I think this is the link I want us to go to. Okay, so we're going to name some different types of flowers. So we learned rose. Let's look at carnations. Carnations. Suna, can you read carnations?
Yeah, for me.
Yes.
Carnation. Carnations come in many different colors. Carnations last up to 10 days if they are kept in water. Pink carnations symbolize a mother's love.
Okay, perfect. Great job. Okay, class, are there questions on any of these words?
About carnations?
Carnations are this type of flower in the picture. They are, let me see if I can get a better picture. They are usually given, they are less, okay, roses are very, very romantic. Carnations in this country are, if you like someone more than a friend, but you don't love them yet, okay? So you like someone a lot, but you don't love them, okay? So they're like an in-between flower, okay?
Okay.
So maybe when you first start dating someone, for example,
You can
at
give
least
like
in the U.S.
you can give white roses or yellow roses. I mean
Like that.
instead of carnations.
Yes. Yes. Yep, they're like that.
Teacher,
Okay.
I have a question here.
Yes.
What does last up mean?
Hold on.
In the second paragraph, could carnation last up to?
Last up. Okay, it means the maximum is 10 days that they will last. It means that they will look fresh and beautiful.
Okay, perfect. I got it. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. We can continue to the next page. Okay, sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Okay. Saba?
Yeah.
Okay, sunflower.
Yeah. Sunflowers are large flowers and they grow on tall plants. Sunflowers have seeds in their centers. People and birds eat the seeds. Sunflower seeds taste delicious on salads. Salads.
Perfect. Great pronunciation. Do you like eating sunflower seeds?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like this.
Me too.
Sunflowers in the package.
Yes, me
It is
too.
sold.
Yep. Do you like them, okay. Do you like them with the shell or without?
I cut down the shell and eat without.
Okay, okay, yes. Yeah, I like the package with the shells. So you have to break open the shell and then you eat it. But
How do you broke up the shell?
I put it in my mouth.
In your mouth and you spit the shell? And
Yes.
do you eat that on street or with friends?
I I
What?
eat it in the car with my family.
Oh,
For example, it helps me to stay awake. So yeah, it's probably really gross, but yes, I put it in my mouth and I spit out the shell.
where do you spit in the car? Or
Yeah, I I have a cup.
oh, you have a cup. Okay.
Yeah, so it helps me stay awake while I'm driving. Because sometimes on long car rides, especially if I'm by myself, I need to be doing something else. Otherwise, I'll fall asleep. So anyway,
You are
that's when
driving,
I
eating the sunflower seeds, yeah?
yes.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Any questions on any of these vocabulary words or any of these words?
No.
Okay. Let's continue. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. Tulips. Tulips. Fausto.
Okay, tulips. Tulips have smooth petals, leaves, and stems. Tulips can be pink, yellow, white, purple, red, orange, and multicolored. They bloom in the spring.
All right, great pronunciation. Okay, any questions on tulips?
Yeah, a question. In your city, do you have like people who eats these sunflower seeds on the streets? Do you see this kind of people or not so much?
I don't think so. I don't know. Well, first of all, I don't see many people walking on the streets.
Okay, but in
So,
parks, do you have like some public places?
yeah, we have parks. I don't really pay attention, so I don't know. But I think it's common to eat sunflower seeds. But sometimes you can get the package without shells.
Okay.
So it's only the seed. So maybe they eat that. I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't paid attention. Why? Is it common for people to eat sunflower seeds in your country?
Well, it depends. It depends. Young people, I think, they eat on the street. You could see that they spit on the street, some kind of these shells. Yeah. Some people, for example, I don't like really sunflower seed. I like there's like chocolate with sunflower seeds.
Oh,
chocolate
weird.
inside. Yeah, inside.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. So I get muted. So there is like chocolate. I like these kind of products that contains sunflower seed, but to eat like how do you say it? Like only them? To eat only them? How do you
Yeah,
say?
to eat. Yeah, to eat them. Okay, to
By themselves?
by themselves. Yep.
Yeah, is this correct?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So
You are a faster speaker than I am a typer.
sometimes I make mistakes. So
No, that was good.
So I don't like really to eat them by themselves. Yeah, they're tasty, but you know, it's not something that I would eat every day or every.
Yeah, on a regular basis.
Yep, but I like them. They're tasty for sure.
I like chocolate covered raisins. I love chocolate covered raisins.
What color?
Raisins.
Could you write in chat, please?
Yes. Raisins. Raisins.
Partially dried grape.
Yes. Yes, they are so good. They are my favorite.
So do you like Snickers, like bars, Mars bars? No.
No, I don't like peanuts.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I like peanuts, but not in chocolate. Okay? Like for example, I don't like mixing sweet and salty. I don't like mixing it.
When you buy peanuts, do you look up if they are genetically modified? Or not so much? Or
No.
by...
No.
So I've heard that in the United States, like all the peanuts are genetically modified. Something like it's not really healthy to eat, or something.
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope not because I like peanuts.
Okay.
But I don't know.
Check them up the next time when you buy like.
Yes, I will have to read the small print.
If they contain some E, they for sure they contain something bad.
Okay, I will look. I will let you know.
Okay.
I would like to add, talking about the tulipan, come back to the topic. There is a black tulipan. It's called black tulipan. It comes from Switzerland or something like that. I don't remember. So right now I just Googled it and it looks like so beautiful. I don't know
It's
why.
black?
Black tulipan, yes.
And it's the color black?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. That looks so weird.
But
Oh, it's kind of purple almost. Well,
I don't know. Maybe is strong purple that it's come it into black or something like that. I don't know
wow,
exactly, but for me it's quite beautiful.
that's so interesting. Do you like the black tulip better than the colored tulips?
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
there is like a rose is a very strong red.
Hmm.
It seems like color, almost red, but is black, or it looks like black. So these kind of roses are so beautiful. Weird and beautiful. I don't know.
I don't know if I like the black ones. They're interesting, but I think I prefer the colored ones.
If you would
Okay.
receive from someone black tulips, what would you think about that person? Like someone
I
would give you.
Yeah, I would think that they were trying to tell me someone died, I think, or something.
Oh,
Yeah, like maybe a
Really?
funeral or something. Black means death in the US usually. Yeah.
Mexico is very similar. Black is meaning that because we are very close. But
Mhm.
I think for me, if, for example, if you enjoy to go to expensive restaurant or something like that, the black dress is very beautiful.
Ah, true. Yeah, it depends. It depends because black can also look very elegant. For
Yes.
example, in the US, we have black and white parties. Black and white parties. And what that means um, is everyone dresses only in black and in white. That is all. No color. And it's a very elegant, very classy event. Very
Okay.
elegant, very classy event. Okay? So yes, black and white or black can look very elegant, very sophisticated. Hmm.
Okay.
All right, let's continue. Oh, we don't have very much time. Okay, Matthias, we're going to go to the next page.
Yeah.
Um, oh, here,
Jasmine.
jasmine. Yeah.
Jasmine flowers are white and they smell good. The blooms open in the evening after the temperature cools. Jasmine tea is popular in China.
Hmm.
Oh, I have never seen jasmines.
No, never.
Yeah, I never.
They smell so good.
Hmm.
We used to have some in my garden or in my parents' garden, and it smelled so beautiful. But yes, they are very cute and white flowers. Okay, let's see if we can continue with Michael. Okay, read what it has to say about poinsettias.
poinsettias. Poinsettias are popular at Christmas. In Mexico and Guatemala, they are called Noche Buena. Poinsettias are usually red, but they can also be pink, white, pale, green, orange, and cream.
Hmm. Okay, interesting. Yes, they are very big here during Christmas time, and I have only seen them in white and red, me personally, but I guess they come in a lot of colors. Okay, let's continue so Samphan can read. Okay, Samphan, a daisy.
Daisy have long, narrow petals and leafless stems.
Hmm.
The flowers close at night and open in the morning. Daisy is a popular name for girls and women.
Hmm. All right. So, any questions on any of these?
Poinsettias looks beautiful. I just
Yes,
looked up in Google.
yes. They're very, very big, pretty red flowers. They're very, very cool looking. Okay, let's see. So, now I want to ask you, which one is your favorite flower? which one is your favorite flower?
I love jasmine.
Jasmine? Yeah?
Yeah, because I love it smell. In Thailand, we put jasmine in the water and
Oh.
yeah, it better taste.
It makes it taste better.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's interesting.
Maybe you can try it. You
Yeah.
can put it in water and get in the make it cold in
And you drink it. So you put the jasmine in the water overnight or how do you do it?
overnight.
Okay. Cool. I'll have to try. That sounds interesting.
Let's try it. I think it may taste better.
Very cool. Very cool. All right. What about Saba?
Am I?
Which type of flower is your favorite?
I like rose and dandelion.
Oh, dandelions.
Yeah,
Oh, those are so cool.
I like burn them.
You like what?
I like burn.
What?
Burn.
Can you spell it?
Yeah, I can write.
Okay. Burning them.
Burn. Yeah.
Why?
It's funny. When I was little, we always burn them.
Oh my goodness, the difference between boys and girls. That's so funny. In the U.S., you blow on a dandelion and make a wish. You blow.
Yeah, same here.
Okay.
Okay. Make a wish. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So I love dandelions because I think of wishes. But yes. Burning, I suppose, is fun.
So, wishes that you were thinking come true?
I don't remember. Probably not. Probably not. But it was fun to do it. Just like we would wish on shooting stars, for example.
Yep.
Right?
The same here.
All right. Fausto, what is your favorite? I'm assuming roses are your favorite type of flower. Yes?
Okay, yes. I think that, no, in my case, my favorite flower is rose because the rose has a lot of meaning according to the color that it has. For example, red color is for love. Black is only that if you give white rose, it means that you appreciate that person.
Oh.
You need it has a lot of meaning. For example, yellow rose means that you take care about that person, but you don't love it or love them. You know.
What about pink?
This kind of pink. I don't remember the color, the meaning of the color pink, but is the best way to appreciate any big favor that the other person
Has
gave
done?
you, or yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, sorry guys, I have to cut you off because I've got a class with Verbling right after this, so I'm gonna have to let y'all go.
Sorry, my favorite is tulips.
Thank you.
Tulips. Thanks, Matthias.
Thank you, Daniela.
See you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
See you next.